Beneath the surface of the ocean, in places you might not even expect, lies a hidden world of life, a world that is vital to our planet's health and its survival.
Seagrasses are underwater plants, forming lush meadows in shallow waters. They are not seaweed, but real plants with roots, stems, and leaves just like the ones we see on land.
They need sunlight to grow, and their roots help anchor the soil, preventing erosion and creating habitats. Seagrass meadows do more than just provide shelter. They are the unsung heroes of the ocean, cleaning the water, absorbing carbon dioxide, and producing oxygen. In fact, seagrass stores more carbon than rainforests. They help fight climate change and keep the ocean healthy.
Now, let's meet some of the amazing species that call seagrass meadows home. From the Atlantic Ocean to the Arabian Gulf to the Caspian Sea, seagrass ecosystems support diverse and unique marine life. In the Atlantic Ocean, one of the most famous animals that relies on seagrass is the green sea turtle. These turtles love to munch on seagrass, and their grazing helps keep the seagrass healthy by preventing overgrowth. Other creatures like manatees, also known as sea cows, graze on seagrass meadows. In fact, seagrass makes up most of their diet. Fish like the Atlantic blue tang also find shelter among seagrass meadows. Without seagrass, these creatures would lose their food and homes. The Arabian Gulf has its own unique inhabitants. Dugongs, similar to manatees, thrive in the warm waters here. They graze on seagrass, which makes up almost their entire diet, but they need large, healthy meadows to survive. The Arabian Gulf is also home to many species of fish, like parrotfish, which feed on seagrass and live amongst the beds for protection from predators.
Nudibranchs, a type of colorful sea slug, are often seen in the seagrass meadows of the Gulf. These tiny creatures feed on seagrass and its small invertebrates, playing an important role in the ecosystem. In the Caspian Sea, seagrass meadows support species like the Caspian seal, which uses the meadows to hide from predators and raise their pups. The Caspian sturgeon also depends on seagrass meadows as a feeding ground for their young. Without healthy seagrass, they would lose vital nursery habitats. Even though the Caspian Sea is a landlocked sea, it still holds many species that depend on seagrass for food and protection, just like the Caspian shrimp. But seagrass meadows are in trouble. Pollution, coastal development, and overfishing
are destroying these vital ecosystems.
In the Arabian Gulf, oil spills and heavy shipping traffic have caused significant damage to seagrass meadows, while in Atlantic, plastic pollution is smothering the seagrass.
If we don't protect seagrass, species like the dugong, green sea turtle, and manatee will lose their homes and food. What can we do to protect seagrass? First, we must reduce pollution. Less plastic in the ocean means healthier seagrass.
We can also support sustainable fishing practices and help restore damaged seagrass meadows through planting initiatives.
By supporting organizations and projects dedicated to protecting our oceans, we can make a big difference.
Seagrass ecosystems are more important than we ever realize. They protect the ocean, the creatures that live in it, and even our climate. We can be the change the ocean needs if we take care of seagrass. We take care of the planet.
Thank you for joining us on this journey beneath the waves. Together, we can protect our oceans and all the creatures that depend on seagrass. Let's be the guardians of the ocean.